Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor. And today I bring you this big airdrop. This is Base Airdrop, and this is a layer 2 solution for Ethereum powered by Coinbase. So yeah, if you have been waiting this video, this is going to be the biggest and ultimate guide that you need for the Base Airdrop. And if you never hear of this, Coinbase, of course, you know it, is a big company valued in billions of dollars. And they are doing this layer 2 solution for Ethereum called Base, and there's a possible airdrop for this, so we are going to cover it in detail. Like always in my videos, we are going to check some facts about Base and Coinbase, and we are going to do the step-by-step on how to participate. I want to tell you right now, guys, that this is a long video and I'm going to go directly to the point because it's not easy to participate on this airdrop, so we need to pay attention. And this is not free. We need some NFTs, so we are going to spend money, but also we are going to do transactions on the Base testnet, so we are going to use a testnet, but it's not a free airdrop. But I think this is more big than Zksync, Layer 0 and Arbitrum together. So pay attention to this. I would really recommend you to put this airdrop on your list of priorities. And of course, I'm going to cover this over time. And before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Guys, like I said, this video is long and we need to go directly to the points. But the only thing that I'm going to say to you is if you like this video and you think that I put a lot of effort in this airdrop, please check my subscriptions. Many things happen on my Discord. We are covering more airdrops than in YouTube. Getting distribution, we get in all the meme coins and we did money with that. And you have my application that will help you, for example, to do this Base Airdrop very easily in a very organized way. So you can check my app on how this works. So check my subscriptions after you've seen this video if you think that my work doing it worth it. Now let's go to the tutorial. Crypto fans, listen this. Base is a secure, low-cost, developer-friendly Ethereum Layer 2 built to bring the next billion users to Web3. That is what they say. Base is incubated with Coinbase and plans to progressively decentralize in the years ahead. Like you know, Coinbase is the biggest exchange and is a centralized exchange on the US, and they are valued in several $billion. So they are building this layer 2, and Base is built on the MIT license OP stack in collaboration with Optimism. And they are going to join the second core dev team working on the OP stack to ensure it's public good available to everyone. So this is going to be open source. So it's important to say that because they have the intention that at the end make it completely decentralized. So now let's go to the step by step. This is not going to be easy. So you are going to need my steps and checking the video while you're doing. So first, like always, step 1, step 2 is follow them on Twitter, build on Base, and follow them on Discord, build on Base too. So here you have the 2 links for the social media. You are going to need it because there are social tasks to do for this airdrop. So go there and follow the Twitter and Discord. Now the step 3, guys, is add and get Warlic Ethereum 1000 tokens. This is very common on my videos. So here you will see a link to a previous video that I did on what Warlic Ethereum is, how to add into your wallet, and how to get the Warlic Ethereum tokens. So go and get as much Warlic Ethereum tokens you can because you are going to need them. After doing step 3, we go to step 4. We need to add Base Warlic testnet to your MetaMask or wallet. So click here on the chainlist.org link, and here remember to click here to include the testnets, and you are going to see here the Base Warlic testnet. So click on Connect Wallet. This is going to pop up automatically if you don't have the network, all the information of the network. So click Approve. And now you can switch to the network if you want. So now you are already connected to Base Warlic testnet. We are going to go to step 5, which is try to get a commemorative NFT from Base Build. This is especially for devs because you need to do a smart contract. And in this video, I'm going to tell you how to do that. So we are going to be a little geek and a little programmers. You know, I am a developer, so we are going to do this, but in a very, very easy way so you can do it easily. So I put here on the step 5, you have the official link for the Base mirror. And here you have also a build on Base status Twitter where you can have like a step-by-step on how to do it, but I'm going to do it right now with you. So from this tweet, what we need to open is, if you go down here, the step 6 is we go to quest.base.org. So this is part of the website of Base. We go to the quest here. You are going to need to connect your wallet. And one important thing to say here before going to the start quest is that I am using MetaMask, guys, but this is a project powered by Coinbase. So for me, it's very important to say that I will recommend you to do this airdrop also with the Coinbase wallet. So you can download the Coinbase wallet into your browser too. So if you are using multiple wallets like I am doing for this airdrop, I will recommend you to also do in Coinbase wallet, because maybe there could be a boost if you use Coinbase wallet. For me, it makes sense that they reward a little more for the users that use their wallet. Just a comment, it's only my speculation, but think about it, makes sense. Now let's go to start quest. You need to confirm here, continue. You need to read the instructions, and now you need to click on continue. So to do this, we are going to need to put and deploy a smart contract on the Base testnet. This, of course, is going to be important in terms of transactions and interaction. After we deploy that smart contract, we need to put the contract here and verify the transaction, and we are going to be able to mint this NFT. So the easiest way that I find for you to do this is going to be this. In the step 5, you go to the link of Optimism and launch, and we are going to create a smart contract in an easy way here. So here you connect your wallet. In this case, I'm using MetaMask. Once you are connected with your wallet here, you can see that your wallet will appear here, and you click on sign in. You confirm and sign this message. Now you click on create a new project. Put any name that you want. In chain, you need to move here to Base testnet. So Base is here, Base Garlic testnet. Click there, and now click on create. This is going to create a new project. Now you are going to see this. From here, guys, you need to go to smart contract and complete all that you can here on the smart contract part. Token name, you can just put any amount of tokens that you want of the supply. Here I would say 0.1, it's the same. You can complete with all the data that you want. And now you need to click on save and deploy. Here, guys, you can see that it's trying to deploy the smart contract, but like you can see, I don't have Ethereum here. So this is our first stop to doing this. I will cancel the deploy of the contract, and we are going to get tokens to be able to do this. So keep this here open. And we are going to move to the next step, which is step 6. We need to bridge your Ethereum from Garlic to the Base Garlic network. So to do that, you go here to the bridge, click on the link to go to the bridge. We need to connect to Garlic Ethereum first. So we move out from Base and we go to Garlic testnet. And I'm going to click on connect. If you see that I have 53 Garlic Ethereum here, that is because I bought it. You can do that if you check my video on layer 0. They have a bridge where you can buy Garlic Ethereum tokens. For me, was the best option, so I don't miss any time getting fractions of Garlic Ethereum. So once we are connected to everything, I will bridge 0.5. It's going to be enough for everything that we need to do. And guys, this step is very important. You know that bridging from Garlic Ethereum in the mainnet or testnet is important. It's important for layer 0, it's important for Zksync, and was very important for the Arbitrum airdrop. So the transaction was confirmed. You can click here and see your transaction on the Garlic Ethereum Explorer. And after some minutes, guys, you can see that I have my 0.5 Ethereum in Base Garlic testnet. Takes 5-10 minutes sometimes. So now that we have that, this is the bridge. So we already did step 6. We go back to step 5. We were here creating this smart contract at optimism.com in a very easy way. So click on save and deploy now. And this time we should not have any issue because now we have Ethereum to pay the gas fees for this. So the smart contract is being deployed. And now I'm going to click on confirm. And we are deploying the smart contract. And you can see that this is deployed. So I will copy this. And here I'm going to paste that. And I will click on verify transaction. You can see, nice work. This is a valid smart contract. So this is the easiest way that I can show you how to make and do and deploy a smart contract. So you can see the smart contract address is here. Now that we successfully did the smart contract there, we are going to click on continue. And you can see you did it. You can mint your NFT. Click there to mint, pay the gas fees. And you can see, guys, that now say you already claimed your NFT when you enter and connect again. So NFT is claimed. This is a very important NFT because this proves that you are one of the early supporters as a developer actually. So I think this is a very important NFT. Doing that, guys, we already finished the step 5 and we already did step 6, which was the bridge to get tokens on the Base testnet to pay the gas fees. We are going to move to the step 7, which is another difficult one, and you are going to be surprised on how you do all these tasks. So there are many steps inside step 7, but there are only a few protocols currently live for this. You can still get in on the action by playing around with the chain and registering your wallet as one of the first users. So let's go to deploy an NFT on Base network. To do that, I'm going to lead you to Zeppelin. So you go to open Zeppelin, this link. When you open the link, you are going to see this. This is a way that you can also programmatically create smart contract here and all that. So once you are here, you need to click here on RC721. This means that we are going to create an NFT and not a token like could be an RC20. So click there. Let's put any name here and any symbol. And I will put my URL of my website, cryptocurrencystate.net. You don't need to put anything if you don't want. And now here in features, you click on Mintable. And once you click on Mintable, you go up here and click on Open in Remix. So that will open another URL, remix.ethereum.org. And guys, we are following the steps that I put here. So we already went into Open Zeppelin, selected RC721. We gave it a name, a symbol, and click Mintable, and we go to Open Remix. So here you click on Accept, and this is like an IDE where you can use it to write code and test it. So we are going to close this. I don't want to do the tour for the application, and you don't need it neither. Like you can see here the version of Solidity that we are using for deploying this smart contract. A little of the code on how we are creating this and what libraries we are importing and all that. This is really geek. Maybe you are not familiar with code, you are not a developer, but I'm going to guide you step by step. I also think that this interaction is important for this possible airdrop. So once that this opens, you just, without touching anything else, click here on compile contract. After you compile the contract, here you can see that says on this icon, if you leave it a second, deploy and run transactions. So after you compile the contract, go there, deploy and run transactions. And above here on environment, instead of Remix, put injected provider and click on MetaMask, which is what I am using right now. So click there. You are going to need to confirm on your MetaMask. So we are giving access to this. Now that you are connected, just click here, this button on deploy. You are going to see that this is interacting with your MetaMask. You need to pay gas fees on this. And down here, let me put this above. You can see that you have a console of things that are happening right now. In the activity, guys, you can see that I have 2 pending deployments here. That is because I had set a very low amount of gas fees. So you need to speed up your transaction, it happened the same to you, or you need to cancel your transactions and put a higher fee payment for this transaction. If not, it's not going to happen and you are not going to be able to deploy your contract. So pay a nice gas fee here, so happens. Now that I speed up my transaction, you can see that the contract was deployed, and if that happened, you're going to see under deployed contracts the contract that we deploy. So click the arrow to get more options here. So after you click deploy, if something doesn't work, it's because you are paying less gas fee than needed. So check your transactions on your MetaMask, speed up your transaction or cancel and do it that deploy click again until you see your contract deployed here. Once that you see that here where it says save mint, you can open that, and into address we are going to put your address, the same that you are using for everything here, and the number of NFT to transact. I will only put 1 and click here this button transact. Again, it's going to interact with your MetaMask, so click everything on confirm, and down here you are seeing that the transact to cryptocurrency state 2 that save mint is pending, so it's happening, it's running that right now. And you can see how this is like being in the matrix if you are not familiar with coding and all that, but I am guiding you step by step. So you have all the steps here, guys, what you need to do, what part you need to do, and if you are seeing this video, I am not skipping anything, you just need to do exactly what I am doing. And again, the save mint could be pending for the transaction, so I will click on speed up and I will put an aggressive transaction fee update. And now you can see that the save mint happened correctly. You can check that in the Explorer and you can see it's RC721. Transfer it from Zero wallet into my wallet. This is the transfer, this is the NFT, cryptocurrency state 2, and it was successful. So guys, after that, congratulations, you just created your NFT and interacted with it on the Base blockchain. So all those transactions count. Now that we finished that part that could be a little difficult for you, let's move into more common stuff. Step 8 is we need to complete the quest on layer 3. So we are going to click this and you need to take a quiz. You need to get Wallet Ethereum and do a couple of things that we already did. So this is not going to be difficult for you. First, for the quiz, you need to check a little of this stuff. After connecting your MetaMask, sign with layer 3, click on begin, and you need to answer these questions. First, you need to read this in order to get all this knowledge, and you are going to be asked about all this after. You want to click on read more if you want, click on continue. So now we are going to do the quiz. These are the correct answers. We finished the quiz. You can see that now it's in green. Now they say that get Wallet Ethereum, we already have, so we click on verify. So now get Wallet Ethereum is verified. Bridge to Base, we already did that, so we click on verify too, and you can see that it's already in green. Here says mint the Base introduced, we didn't did that yet, so you can go to open Sora, and here you need to connect your wallet and you need to pay this amount of Ethereum with your mainnet Ethereum. You need to switch to Ethereum mainnet and click on collect, sign the transaction and get the NFT. Again, on this part, if you have any error, it is that you are paying less gas fees than is needed. So check your gas fees and put more to complete the transaction. So after you have the NFT, guys, you can click on verify. I will skip it for now. And now you can click on connect Twitter and send the Twitter. And click on verify and you're going to be done. So after doing all that, guys, you are going to be finishing with the layer 3. So you have the quiz completed. So click just on continue and you are done with this part. We are going to move to the last part, which is try to do the guild. Also, you are going to need some NFTs. You have to follow Coinbase and build on Base. On the Base, introduce an NFT. Give a start to the Base org change repository on GitHub. And on the Base and Optimism NFT. So go to the guild and you can see that I have all this completely done. So To see the details, follow Build on Base, follow Build on Base and Coinbase. Also, you need to own the Base NFT and the Introduce NFT. We already did that. You need to give a start on this repository on GitHub, so click here and do that. And the last thing is that you need to own this Base D and Optimistic NFT. You can check on the Explorer. If you don't have it, you can go to the OpenSea market and buy it. So to get that, in the official links on the description, you have here how to have the Base Optimism NFT and the Base Introduced NFT. So if you want, you can check these two links here on the Discord of Base officially. So guys, with that we are finishing all this. Many technical things this time, guys, but all this was interaction with the ecosystem in terms of transactions and contract deployments. We did a lot of things, guys. We got the NFT for developers. I will keep a close eye on this possible airdrop. I think it's going to be big. Coinbase has always been great in terms of decentralization and always in terms of the support of the community. So I think it's not going to happen what happened with SWI, that they didn't do an airdrop. So I think they are going to do an airdrop of this. Of course, it's going to be a token for this layer 2 at some point. It's not going to be on the next weeks, guys. This could take a couple of months, but we are ahead of many people right now doing all this. And of course, if you want to use multiple wallets, you are welcome to do that. Not sure, depending on your strategy, you are going to do all the social stuff, but getting the NFTs, I would recommend you to do that. It's not free. Actually, one of them is in Ethereum and costs a lot. But that will be all for this video, guys. And like I said in the beginning, if you find that you have value on this video, you don't know what you are missing if you are not in my Discord and using my app. We are killing it. We have been doing all the ARBDOGE talk, A-SHIB talks. We minted free Floki NFTs like crazy. I did it with all my airdrop wallets there. And now they are really selling it on the OpenSea market, and I mint everything for free there. Thanks for the comment of a user on my Discord. So everything is happening in my Discord, guys. You are missing a lot of things. Crypto shams to buy. We already marketed a couple the last week. And my app, guys. My app is going to help you to manage, for example, this airdrop with multiple wallets. So this is life-changing, guys. Seriously. I did the Arbitrum airdrop with 12 wallets thanks to my app, and I get thousands of dollars. I'm talking about 6 figures dollars, guys. So this is life-changing money. You can see we do many crappy airdrops sometimes, but with my app you are going to have that advantage that if you do one good like I did with Arbitrum, you are going to have thousands of dollars. So don't waste any time. Check my subscription. I think all the work of this video worth it at least to check these videos on how my app works and what you're going to find in my subscriptions. Guys, that is all to this incredible video of Base Airdrop powered by Coinbase, a multi-billion company that is launching this layer 2 solution. So keep an eye on this and add this to your main airdrops to do. That will be all, and I see you in the next video. Bye.